The purpose of the Oman article was noted on page 571, and it was to examine the impact of meditation interventions on college student stress and well-being outcomes. There were three hypotheses. First, that after training, levels of perceived stress would decline in the treatment groups compared to the control group. Second, concerning changes after training in the treatment group compared to the control group, there would be reductions in rumination, increasing forgiveness, and increases in hope. And hypothesis 3 was that there would be no statistically significant difference between different types of meditation training. The sample was discussed on page 572 and 573. It included 44 undergraduate students enrolled at a Roman Catholic university in California. It was 80% female, primarily age 18, and 73% white. 66% were first-year students. Concerns about generalizability include the fact that it was primarily female and fairly young, and primarily one ethnicity. Their operationalization of the variables is discussed on page 572. They had four major outcomes that they measured 3 times: a pretest, a post-test, and 8 weeks after follow-up. Perceived stress was measured with a 10-item perceived stress scale. Rumination was measured with a 12-item subscale of the Rumination and Reflection Questionnaire. Forgiveness of others was measured with a 6-item subscale of the Heartland Forgiveness Scale. Hope was measured with a 12-item Adult Dispositional Hope Scale. Mindfulness meditation was introduced and we could say manipulated by having 3 groups. 2 who learned different versions of meditation, and 1 who did not, a control condition. The results supported hypothesis 1 that training students in meditation practices can decrease perceived stress levels. The difference between the meditation groups and the control groups in perceived stress continued to grow at the 8-week follow-up, becoming statistically significant at that point. Hypothesis 2 was only partially supported. The treatment groups experienced more of a decrease in rumination, of an increase in forgiveness of others, but nothing significant in hope. Hypothesis 3 was supported. There weren't any differences between the 2 types of meditation training. So the takeaway message, or what we can learn from this, is relatively straightforward. Meditation training can effectively decrease stress.